My beauties, dish of the day series, we're having ocean blue tuna and we're having banana chips, fried banana chips. So taste test. Ocean blue is one of our staple food in PNG, so taste test. Okay. It's giving, tastes nice. This is how the banana looks like. Banana from my dad's garden. Ocean blue and me go dive na mix so from the sea. I'm kidding. Guys, this video is not sponsored, so Ocean Blue, if you're watching this, I need like 10 cartons of Hugo products. I rate this a 9 out of 10. This one. Not bad. I like it.